Good morning, guys. Dr. Netling here from RBTI. If we look at nature, how God created it, it is just mind-blowing. We get the sun gives a ray, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That's where music originates from. Anions come from the sky, hits the Van Allen belt, or atoms, it become anions. Anions rain down on the earth at 1 bar pressure on the soil. The earth with all its lava at the bottom spins because of this positive energy with a cationic or acidic core. So God made man from 92 minerals, and he put those 92 minerals in the floor, microbes in the floor that he created, and microbes eat this 92 minerals. It turns it into a plant. We eat the plant, we're getting maintained with 92 minerals. When that minerals break down in the body, Dr. Reams had a saying, we get cell depletion, we get cell distortion, we get cell disruption, and we get cell destruction. Now the cells is dead in the body because of stress in our kidneys. Our kidneys don't secrete this delta cells and beta cells and debris over and above ammonia, nitrogen, etc. And that accumulates in the body. The body then makes a wall, armor. It takes all these dead cells and it puts it in a layer of potassium, selenium, zinc, and magnesium. It isolates it. It is now our friend. It's not our enemy. Our immune system don't detect cancer. It don't fight cancer like it fights a cold. When you get a cold, you get a fever, where your blood moves double the speed, your white blood cells split, and they become more, and they start attacking this virus. But cancer don't attack. You are mineral depleted because we eat hamburgers, hot dogs, pizzas, pies, and pasta, and samosas. And the Bible says, your God is in your belly. We listen to our gut. I often say to people, don't listen to your gut. Never listen to your gut. That's flesh. And the flesh is an enmity towards God. So if we eat the food that God said He gave us as medicine, the leaves of the trees. The Bible says how many times, I'll give you the leaves of the trees as medicine. I studied to be a medicine man for years and years, and only to be humiliated in the newspaper and saying I'm a Sangoma. I'm not a Sangoma, I'm a son of Yahweh. I've studied His nature. I adore His nature. I love people really like I love myself. And I try to get their bodies back to what it's supposed to be. A motor car, we service to maintain it so it can stay healthy. Our bodies, we've learned to listen to our gut, not to our spirit. And now our body's kidneys don't secrete delta cells. We build tumors. Our prostates enlarge. Women get ovary cancer. Cancers have inclined 331%. We're sitting in a church in the presence of a prayer meeting or a ministry, and we're sitting with diabetes, cholesterol, sugar, cancer, and this can be avoided. Really, guys, it can be avoided. Dr. Reams RBTI Health had a 90% plus in reversing disease. Existingly, I'm at a 90%. Doesn't matter what disease you got. You come, we do a RBTI test. We see where the imbalances of the body is, where you lack these minerals. Some people has got 74, some people has got 54 minerals instead of 92. Of yin and yang, or positive and negative, or cationic and anionic. Book your test, see where your body is, then learn to know your body whilst you're on the path of health. Confess that we've stuffed our belly with drugs. We go to the pharmacy, to a pharmacist, which is really a witch. The Bible says people will go to waste because of witchcraft, pharmakeia, drugstore, pharmacy. I do talks in old age homes. People aren't there because of their age. They're there because of the side effect of the medication. Guys, book your talk. I like to do a ministry in make people aware of what's ahead of us from 2025 to 2030. We think people died from 2022, but we're yet to see what's to come. Avoid disease. Keep yourself healthy. Maintain your body and learn to know your spiritual voice and not your belly's voice. Thank you, guys.